Good day, traders. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com coming live with some price action on the binary markets. Currently going to get in a trade here on September 20th, 2013, Friday. Looking at a put option. I got plenty of time to go on this one. Nearly 12 minutes, so I'm getting in right now. Price action's been kind of interesting the last 24 hours since the big move. We're coming up to pivot. You can see here. Price was holding here at pivot, moved down to support the 1, back up to pivot. Now it's trying to get up to pivot again. So it seems like it's gravitating to pivot today. And on a 5-minute chart, you can kind of see that price action doing its thing. So let me put an arrow here on the 1 minute, leaning downward back towards support level 1 at some point. It may get new highs right now. But I expect it to come back down to pivot. I might have gotten in a little too short of the pivot line, which could cause me to lose this trade. Currently green right now, but anything can happen at this particular time. So we're going to watch it pretty closely. And I hope everyone's having a good week so far. It's been an interesting trading week with the news. Here's a daily chart breaking out to new highs. And 135 is just a solid area now for support. So let's keep an eye on that. And then we'll get back to business on Monday. So make sure you guys have a good weekend. Enjoy your time off and study some charts if you have some time, but don't put too much effort in. You got to recharge the batteries and whatnot. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Check out the chart setup video if you haven't done that yet. And just get involved. So currently we have a trade that's kind of winning. Pretty much break even, and we'll be right back. I'm going to pause. We'll get back here and finish this thing up. Okay, guys. Well, we had price go against us pretty heavily for the past 5-10 minutes. I shouldn't say 10 minutes, but 5-7 minutes, and now it's coming back down through pivot. Here's our entry point. Here it's coming through pivot. We have a minute to go. Let me check. Yeah, I got about 45 seconds to go. So we need a jumper candle to the south side. You can see here with 40 seconds to go, about 3 pips away from our entry point. So if this candle that we're looking at right now could turn red heavy, we can get a winner. There we go. Starting to see a little red. We're getting in before the U.S. markets open up, so we need a move here. Oh, that's a nice little jump down. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. That's exactly what we're looking for. So this trade is finishing up. Come on, finish right now, and we'll have a winner. If not, we'll have to look for a better trade. But I think this one's pretty good at pivot. I really think pivot's going to hold. Okay, so this trade is complete. Let's go check out the back end and see how it finished up. Okay, in at 9:03 a.m. at 135.31, and it closed at 135.37. Oh wow, 0.6 of a pip in our favor. We'll take that. We'll walk away with that for sure. And just you can see it riding the pivot line. Pivot's a strong area of resistance and support today. So I wouldn't take it every time, but if it gets away from it, gets back down to support level 1 and then climbs back up, that's a potential put option. And you can see this area here. If we could challenge that for the highs of the day. If now it gets out on support level 1 down here, which it did and bounced nicely. So there's been some pretty good trade setups today in a tight range again. We finally broke out to some ranges here to pivot here, and you can see how price was holding. The 135 just looks beautiful. Has a holding ground going forward. If it gets below that, we'll be back in our mess of the last few months. But if we stay above the 135 next week, we should see some highs like 136 and whatnot. So make sure you guys get involved on the channel and trade smart. Take the best trade setups possible. Look for support and resistance. Create your own lines if you can with your purple lines. Check out the chart setup video if you haven't done that. And we'll be back trading next Monday for the trade of the day. So this is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com, and we will talk to you on Monday for the trade of the day. Have a good one, everyone. and we'll talk to you soon.